Diana for expertvillage.com, and today we're making a copper plant hanger. I'm doing it here in my garage, and you can do it outside. You're going to have to use a hammer, so you need a flat surface that's pretty stable. You can't just do it on your dining room table. So what I'm going to do now is I have the little circle that I'm going to use to hold my pot, and since I'm going to be soldering it, I need a flat surface that will stick together. So I'm just going to take my hammer, and at the very end I'm going to hammer flat. So now I have two flat surfaces that I'll be able to solder together. And I'm going to do that with the very end of my little tendrils also. So about 1 inch on the end. Just hammer it flat. Now that's the piece that I'm going to solder onto the larger piece. And here's my second tendril. I'm going to hammer that flat so that I have something to solder.